Hi traders, this is Sarjan. Welcome to Global Wealth Education Forex Academy Weekly Forex Forecast. I believe from our previous weekly Forex forecast, you could have gained some good value, knowledge, and caught good number of pips on our expected directions, move, and targets. To verify, please check our previous weekly Forex forecast videos to understand how we trade. To become profitable and a successful trader, you need the right Forex education, tools, and strategies. We made easy to learn Forex for anyone to learn and earn. By teaming up with our group of professional Forex experts and traders, we have created an educational packages that combines with allied strategies, and we have brought them to the retail market and business world. Our courses are for people at all levels, from Forex beginners to intermediate up to institutional trading and smart money mastery. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purpose only. Here I am sharing my views and opinion and the way I approach the market based on my experience and price actions, institutional trading, smart money concept with our unique strategies to become profitable in this market. You can check our courses on our GWE platform that will be live soon. You can able to see our bespoke courses. Let's jump into DXY. Why we always look at dollar index in order to understand the other major pairs, direction and moves. Pairs like GBP-USD, EURUSD, and AUDUSD and USDCAD, dollar-based pairs. If you have a bearish expectation on dollar index, right? Dollar-based pairs like USD CAD, USD JPY, USD CHF, generally we could see these pairs to trade lower, and the same as Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD generally trade higher if we expect bearish price action, right? Or if we expect bearish expectation, then these pairs will have a potential to move higher. So that's what we can see right now. GBP-USD, Euro-USD, AUD-USD, and these all are moving higher, right? And USD-CAD, USD-JPY, USD-CHF, these are moving lower. What we have seen last week, before 2 weeks back, we have mentioned that, this box, in this level, we said that if this low take, we were expecting target move towards 94 price level. As we expected, we had a really nice move. We had a nice, beautiful move towards 94, right? So now what is next? Now still we can see the heavy bearish price action here. I don't see any kind of sign or any kind of signals for price to give us a kind of a retracement for now. So I think probably today and tomorrow. Today is Monday, tomorrow Tuesday. So hopefully I think we could see some bearish move towards these areas. This is the area that we are anticipating dollar index to get this here, right? So when the dollar index move lower, GBP USD, Euro USD, AUD, these all are move higher, right? So now if the dollar index, if it's ready to give a retracement opportunities, right? For example, which is lower, give a retracement opportunities, then we could expect bearishness on GBP USD, Euro USD, and AUD USD, right? Then some retracement potentials. So let's move on. Let's move to 4 hour. If the DXY is giving a retracement, where we could go? I'm just targeting up here to give us a retracement immediate target. I would say that these areas here, right? These are areas. Suppose if the dollar index move higher and taken this high, then we could see some kind of a retracement. I mean, we could see some kind of a move up there. For now, dollar index is having bearish mode, and if you see kind of any retracement, we could see that up to this level and just gets another selling opportunities from these areas, right? So when this retracement happen, we could expect some selling opportunities on GBP USD, Euro USD, and AUD USD. Let's move on to Euro USD. So guys, what we have seen last week, and before week. We mentioned that this level actually still, we marked this 2 weeks back, I guess, still there as it is, because I'm just kept this for the reference. And if you go back to our previous videos, the week and the before, and you could see that how did we spot the targets, POI, which is point of interest. Now we can see that we had a nice beautiful move towards our targets, towards our anticipated level, right? So now what is next? Let me delete this. You could see that it's on bullish run, heavy bullish run in EURUSD for now, right? So what is our next target? Now we are expecting some retracement. If the DXY dollar index give us a retracement opportunity, then we could see Euro USD to give us a kind of a selling opportunity this area. So what I'm expecting now, Euro USD to give kind of a beautiful retracement. We can move up here towards 1.20 price level, and still we have got up targets, because we can see that we have targets up there as well. Still it has a potential to move higher. So EURUSD still has a potential to move higher towards this area, right? For now, I'm anticipating some sort of retracement, and we could look for some buying opportunities from this area, right? So when the price get here, we could see that some confluence, then we can able to enter for buy, right? Suppose if the price break this level, then it has a potential to move lower. But I don't think so, because EURUSD is on a heavy bullish run. Okay, let's see what's the opportunity the market going to give us, right? So let's move on to GBP-USD. GBP-USD. So what we have seen last week, guys, we mentioned that we have a target up here, and as we analyzed, we reached our target area, right? So GBP-USD on bullish run, and now what we are expecting is, for now, GBP-USD to give us a kind of a retracement, right? To look for some buying opportunities, right? In the long run, I'm expecting ultimate target. After this retracement, maybe the pair could, without giving any retracement opportunity, could run higher towards our target up here. Imbalance and the equal highs, large amount of liquidity sitting over here. So it has a potential to move higher without any retracement. But if we get any kind of retracement, we will have a buy opportunities. We could, if we get any retracement, we can look for some buy from this area, right? This area. This is what I'm looking for next. Let's move on to USDCAD. USDCAD, what we have seen last week. Last week we were here, and we mentioned that we were targeting this area. Actually, if you go back to our previous video, you could see that what we were targeted as our point of interest. So we were here on that time, I guess, last week, and we were looking for this area to price to reach. As we expected, we reached the area. Now we are having some kind of a consolidation here, and I'm expecting now further down move, right? So now what's next? I'm anticipating overall towards up, right? Towards up if the dollar intake reverse completely. But I don't think that, because we don't have any kind of signals or signs, dollar index to give us a reversal opportunity. So for now, for the short term, I feel I'm looking for some selling opportunities, right? So the price might come up here, and let's go on to 1 hour time frame. Price could come up here, collect this imbalance. For example, I'm anticipating selling opportunity from this area, guys, for now, right? Let's say, for example, like this. This could be a good risk and reward trade. Okay, in the long run, my overall target of USD CAD to move higher, this area, right? So this is my overall objective to I want price to come up here. These are the targets in the long run I'm expecting for. Let's move on to AUDUSD. AUDUSD, it's on bullish, and we could see that it's making high, 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 low, and now still it's look like price wants to move higher, right? So as we expect, as we mentioned last week and before, already, we were just targeting last week to just take this high. It's been taken now, but still the pair wants to move higher. What we have up there, let me check on my, let me check on the weekly. Let's check on the weekly. So we have just targeted up here on weekly. So we don't know what's going to happen next because it's all based on dollar index. If the dollar index reverse, maybe probably we won't be able to get here. But in case, suppose if the dollar index reverse, if the dollar index gives us a reversal opportunity, we could see, bearishness on AUD USD. So now on short-term perspective, so what's next now? So now I'm looking for only a buy opportunity on AUD USD. So suppose if the dollar index give us a retracement, if the dollar index move higher, then we could expect AUD USD to move lower toward this level, and we can look for some sell buying opportunities from this area, from here. Okay, so now let's move on to EURAUD. EURAUD, guys, what we discussed, what we have seen last week. So, okay, 2 weeks back, if you do check our previous videos, we were just targeting, giving our levels and targets. So as we expected, and as I mentioned, we could see that beautiful move of 380 pips, guys, right? So last week, when we do our analysis, we were here, I was actually anticipating some kind of retracement, but the pair failed to give us a kind of retracement opportunities. But instead of giving a retracement, the price continuously dropped towards our target area, right? This area we were expecting price to come. As we expected, came down. We had some nice, beautiful buying opportunity. We caught nearly 380 pips, guys, right? And this was shared on our members group. And again, overall, I mentioned that, on my previous video, okay, focus video, I was keep telling that, guys, last 2 weeks, I was targeting this moves. I was waiting this move, okay? From my previous video, I was keep telling you guys, I was waiting for nearly 500 and over 500 pips move, all right? So now already we have reached 380. So what is next? Looking for kind of a retracement to this level, then could move higher to this our target areas, right? Maybe from here we could see some potential of selling, or maybe we need more data to be printed to see what's the opportunity, what is going to happen next, right? That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please let us know by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Please do share with others to benefit as well. Every week we do share our analysis and trade ideas. You guys can able to gain more value on our forecast, and you will get a lot of tips and techniques to improve your skill set. I wish you all for the fantastic trading week. Take care, trade safe. See you soon.